Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to set up email autoresponders in SiteGround. Email autoresponders are useful for when you are on a vacation, for example, and you want to let people who contact you know that you're out of work. Now, first thing, go to siteground.com, then click on login, fill in your login credentials, and hit login again. Now, click on websites from the top. And next to the website you have or you want to set up an email for autoresponder on, click on this Site Tools button. Now go to email and select autoresponders. As you can see, set up autoresponders to notify senders that you're out of the office, unavailable, or simply need some time to get back to them. Autoresponders can be permanent or can be scheduled for a specific period of time. First, select your domain from this list. This domain is what is responsible of this email address here. And then send your autoresponder email. In my case, it's Ben. By the way, this email address here, in my case, it's Ben. In my case, which is ben@benstutorial.com, should be already working or created on your SiteGround account. In my case, if I go to the accounts page, as you can see, this is it. Now let's go back to the autoresponders, fill in Ben. Here you need to fill in your autoresponder sender email. In my case, I will go with Ben. And here, I am out of the office, for example. Here you can, this is just the subject line, and here you can write, hi, I am out of the office from 1st of July to 22 of July. You can email the assistance on support@benstutorial.com. Thanks for your understanding. And here you can select between setting this autoresponder working all the time of the year and or between just selecting a start and end date. Let's give it a starting date of when I am out of the office, which is the 1st of July. Let's select 1st of July. The start time at 12 a.m. and it will end on 22 of July at the same time. Here you can set a waiting. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained Today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, Mailchimp, Squarespace. And let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Here you can set a waiting hours before sending another autoresponder to the same email address. Now let's create this autoresponder. As you can see, autoresponder for Ben at Ben tutorial is created. This is the email address, the subject line, the status is scheduled because it uses a start and end time. And if you want to edit this autoresponder, just click on this little pen and you can edit the autoresponder sender name, subject line, email message, start and end date, and also the waiting between two autoresponder emails. And this is how to set up email autoresponders in SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.